Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Etoro stocks. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app. First, go to the Etoro website or download the mobile app and click on Sign Up. You will be required to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have filled in the required information, you will receive a verification email to confirm your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to provide some additional information to comply with regulatory requirements. This includes providing proof of identity and address. You can upload the required documents directly to the Etoro platform. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Etoro account. Etoro accepts various payment methods including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is $50. To start trading stocks, you need to navigate to the Markets section on the Etoro platform. Here, you can search for the stock you want to buy or sell. Etoro offers a wide range of stocks from popular companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Google. When you find the stock you want to trade, click on it to open the trading window. Here, you can set the amount you want to invest and choose your leverage. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, but it also increases your potential losses. Before you place a trade, make sure you understand the risks involved. Trading stocks can be volatile, and you can lose some or all of your investment. It is essential to set a budget and stick to it. Etoro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to copy the trades of experienced investors. This can be a good way to get started if you are new to trading. You can browse the profiles of popular investors, see their performance, and choose to copy their trades. Finally, Etoro offers a virtual portfolio feature, which allows you to practice trading with fake money. This is a great way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies before risking real money. In conclusion, setting up Etoro stocks is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and start trading stocks. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.